Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to send money from Binance to Wise. So if you want to send it, this is very straightforward as well as very easy. So first of all, you have to set up your account, and once you set up, it will ask you to verify. So make sure you have to verify your account to use it. This is really important. Now let's get to the Wise here. You have to also set up your account here and make sure you're also logged in into this account. Right now, transfer funds to your funding account. Log in into your Binance account, which we have already did. Navigate to your wallet section. Right. So here you have to find your wallet section option here, which is if you just go and click to deposit option here, you will get this option here. Now transfer the desired amount from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. This is necessary because p2p trading operates from the funding account, right? So here you can just deposit crypto, you can deposit with your currency, or this is p2p trading here. Now access p2p trading, so we have to just go and click on it and make sure you have registered as logged in into this, right, which we have already did. So okay, so now just go and click on next. They are just giving a tutorial. Now go to p2p section on the Binance here, select this option to sell, right? But because I'm getting this option of here buy, because I didn't purchase anything. If you have purchased anything, then here you have to just go to sell and you have to sell, right? So this option to sell and choose USD as the currency you want to receive. So if I just go here and click on sell USDT, I have to make sure that I receive in the USD currency. So here it's showing my country currency here, but in your case, if you're USA, if you're living in USA and using US dollar, then in your case it will show up here USD. Right now click on add payment methods here, which you can do also it from here. For example, make sure you sell USDT, right? And once you sell it here, you will get this option of go to your account section, and inside the account section you will get this option of add payment methods. So somewhere you will get this option here. Go to the payment section here and you will be able to add here payment option. Click on add a payment method. So you have to verify, then you have to add a payment method. So payment method could be your bank, debit card, credit card, any kind of wallet, right? And once you have added, enter your Wise account details. So here you have to go and select bank transfer and enter your Wise account details, from where you can always get it from your Wise here. I cannot show you right now because this is confidential, but I hope you got the point here. And make sure you include the bank account number, routing number, email address associated with your Wise account. After adding your payment method, go back to your P2P trading. So we have to just go back to here, P2P trading here, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, right? So we will just go and click on sell here. And here we have to select USD, right? And here, okay, so I have to click on confirm. Make sure you select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. So let's say I will just sell this one, right? Which is USDT. I can just go and click on add and transfer something, right? Select a buyer from the list, which we have already did, right? And ensure they have a high completion rate. Make sure they have completion rate of 95% more than, so it has 99, which is a good thing here. To minimize the fraud risk, enter the amount you wish to sell and confirm the transaction details. So here we have to enter the all the details and just go and click on sell. Right, once you confirm the sale, wait for the buyer to transfer fund to your Wise account. After receiving the funds in your Wise account, go back to your Binance and confirm that you have received the payment. Click on release crypto in Binance to complete the transaction. So ensure all the transaction details are correct before confirming any steps. Check your Wise account for any incoming funds. And this is it, guys. Make sure to like this video. If you found this video very useful, you can always let us know in the comment box. If you need any help, thanks for watching. Subscribe.